hello to all our friends and family in the UK from Kat,
Claire
and Amy.
Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
From the female mentors here in Kabul.
I'd like to wish my amazing wife Claire and my two amazing children Abby and Emily an amazing Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'd also like to wish my mum and my two sisters and my dad in Ireland an amazing Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I love you all.
Just want to wish our friends and family a Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We're missing you all loads. We'll be on as soon as we can. Hope you have a good one. Merry Christmas, peeps.
Hi Mum and Dad, it's Anthony here in Kabul. I just want to say hi and Happy Christmas. Sorry I can't be home to be with you, but I hope you're having a great day. Also to Mel, Teresa, Jenny, Happy Christmas to you guys too, and of course my beautiful girlfriend Steph. I'll be home to you soon. Take care.
Hi, it's Rory here. Just wishing my mum, my dad, sisters, brother-in-law and girlfriend Susie a Happy Christmas from sunny Kabul. Hope it's not raining on you too much back at home. Keep safe.
Hi, this is Sally in New Kabul compound. Just want to wish my mum, Pete, Chewy a very Merry Christmas and all my orienteering friends back out in the UK.
Hello everyone, and season's greetings from Kabul City. I'd just like to wish all my friends and family across the world a very Merry Christmas and an excellent 2016. God bless you all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas from HMS Klein and a Happy New Year.